A new feature called optimized pricing will start becoming available to all publishers using Google Ad Manager starting June 5th, 2022. Optimized pricing will initially launch on a subset of web traffic, and it will gradually roll out to more traffic over time. This feature gives publishers an option to safeguard their inventory's value to bidders. This is done by using machine learning algorithms that set a higher auction floor price, which better reflect the inventory's actual value, instead of letting buyers win the auction and serve ads despite a bidding an amount that is lower than what the inventory is actually worth. To check if this feature is enabled in your GAM network, go to your Ad Manager account, navigate to Admin, go to Global Settings, and click on Network Settings. Scroll down and check if optimized pricing is enabled. You'll notice that this is enabled by default, but this feature is optional and can be disabled if preferred. If you choose to opt out from using this feature, you can always go back to this section to re-enable it if you need to. Now let's go over a scenario where optimized pricing becomes beneficial. Let's say an ad request is sent out for an ad unit and there is an existing floor price targeting that inventory. If optimized pricing is enabled and if its algorithm has determined that this floor price undervalues the inventory and might result in lower bids versus what your inventory should ideally be priced at, what optimized pricing will do is automatically and uniformly increase the floor shared with all the bidders. As optimized pricing does this across your network over time, the long-term value of the inventory is protected, and its impact in the long haul may reflect in how much bidders are paying for the inventory, which can be measured by metrics such as CPM. If you're wondering whether optimized pricing will set a floor price that's lower than the rates you've set up via Unified Pricing Rules or UPR, the answer is no. You can rest assured that this feature will recognize the minimum values set in a pricing rule and will never override that setting to reflect a lower floor price. What it does is simply recognize if these floor prices are set too low and dynamically increase the floor price to maximize the value of your ad inventory.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.